some refried beans right into our baking dish. Then I have some green chilies, a little bit of black olives, and 2 cans of Rotel that I'm gonna place right into my baking dish with those refried beans. Once you have all that, you're gonna wanna mix that all together. Wow, look at all of that good stuff mixing in there. I smell the chilies and the Rotel. It's gonna be so good with those black olives and that bean dip. And we're mixing all of that extra flavor from those tomatoes in with those beans. It's just going to give it a little bit of a kick, and it's just going to jazz it up a little bit. You guys, this is one of my favorite party go-to bean dips right here, and it is super easy to do. Now we'll grab some nacho cheese and we're gonna just smother this top of this bean dip in this nacho cheese. Oh, have you tried bean dip like this before? It's like a total twist on the 7-layer classic, right? We wanna get all of that out. Okay, cheesy goodness. Now, of course, we're gonna have to add a little shredded cheese on top. I'm going for mild cheddar because that's what I had in the fridge. But if you wanna use a Mexican blend or a different blend, well, why don't you share your thoughts in the comments? If you're gonna throw anything else into this bean dip, throw it in the comments. What is your favorite addition to a good bean dip? Oh, cannot go wrong. Let's just pour the rest of that on there. Okay, and then we're just gonna take our clean hands and we'll just move that over the top. You guys, this cheese mixed in with the nacho cheese is just gonna be so amazing. Okay, lastly but not least, we're gonna add some jalapenos. Now, of course, if you are not a fan of the jalapeno family, then you don't have to put these on there, but you know what? You could always go with the mild ones. I wanted a little bit spicy. I want a little bit of a kick, and these are just chopped up really tiny. So I mean, I feel like they're fine. Now, I'm not eating like a whole mouthful of them or anything, so I wouldn't probably advise that unless you're one of those people out there that love really super spicy stuff. And if you are, well, I don't know. How did you even get that way? How come some of us like really spicy stuff and some of us can't handle spice at all? Can anybody answer that? Is that part of our ancestry or where we come from or our heritage? Because I think that really probably does have a lot to do with it. Last but not least, I have some white onion here that I'm gonna sprinkle right over the top. Oh, I love a little bit of onion with any type of bean dip. It just goes so well together. So let's put some of that on top and bring all of those flavors together. Okay, that looks good to me, you guys. Now we're gonna stick this easy, cheesy, delicious goodness in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Holy cow. This was so easy to do. Would it take us a couple minutes to put together? I mean, seriously. And wait until you see how it turns out. You guys are gonna love this. Yes, this is the moment we've been waiting for. And look at that. Can you see the layer of cheese and beans? I can on this side. Oh, look at that. All mixing together so well. It's gonna be cheesy and so good. I know that's probably really hot because the cheese seems like it's bubbling up, but I can't hardly wait. So I grabbed myself my Tostitas. Now, you can choose what kind of chips you would like. What do you eat your bean dip with? Tell me more about it. I really like this hint of lime. I like those ones a lot. All right, I'm gonna just get a big daddy bite right here. Look at that cheese and that bean dip. Oh my gosh, how cheesy. Oh, that looks so good. It's gonna be so hot. Oh my gosh, I can smell the jalapenos and that Rotel with the beans. Oh, and the nacho cheese. Okay, it's not too hot. I can go for it. This is what I like to call dump and bake appy. Dump and bake appetizer. Easy, feeds a crowd, great for game day or any day. And I mean, really, it's so much cheaper than buying the already made dip, right? Threw all this stuff together, baked it. I'm gonna have some more. All right, guys, enjoy this. Let me know any favorite twists on your bean dip, and I hope you guys give this a try. We'll see you guys later.